Hey guys, Steve here with the next cool thing. Anyway, I've got a question for you. Home warranties, are they worth it? I was reading a blog here the other day and came across a link about home warranties and it's kind of digging into it. And I'm seeing a lot of mixed reviews on it. Some people say they're good, some people say they're bad, and they're not worth it. And I know when we bought our house, we kind of looked into, hey, is a home warranty worth it? Is it not? And really didn't know much about home warranties, so we decided to skip it. Um, but I'd really like to hear what you guys think. And hey, why don't we actually just run through getting a free quote, see what that looks like? The blog says that the quote is free, so let's try it out. All right, so let me switch over here, and so this is the blog I've read here. So it's called Frugal Lancaster. It's a small town type blog, a nearby town anyway, and posts a lot of cool, fun things that we enjoy to do with our kids. And yeah, so let's check it out. So here they have. She actually posts the question, is it good? So she got a quote, and so we'll actually check it out. We'll enter zip code, which I'm going to blur out here for us. And you enter your first and last name. Next, enter your email address. And your home phone number. And I don't have a work phone number. It is just my home phone number. All right, so got my quote, and it looks like we can choose either a total plan or a basic plan. The basic plan doesn't cover your air conditioning system, doesn't cover refrigerator, clothes washer, or dryer. So some decent sized things not covered there. But it does cover your heating system, which I find interesting because a lot of people will have a heat pump. Electrical systems, plumbing. Those plumbing sometimes will get backed up and you'll break some water lines in the winter, so that could be an expense. Electrical system doesn't generally break. Whirlpool bathtub, that could be a expense that you weren't expecting. The oven, the refrigerator, that's not covered under the basic plan. The oven, is there a date? Is there a time frame? Like if you have a 20-year-old refrigerator, yes, it probably should be replaced. But is 20 years too old? What do they do? I'd like to find out more information about this. But yeah, so if you guys know anything about this, let me know. I'm curious as well. Let's look through some of the other things here. So optional coverage. If you have a pool or spa, limited roof leak, spa, standalone freezer, central vac, have one of those and one of those. Well pump, septic system, septic pump, don't have any of those. So I'm just going with total. And all right, guys. So I switched back here because there's some personal information there. Didn't want to show, but if you guys get your quote, let me know what your coverage was and how much your plan cost. Mine came out to a fairly decent price. But yeah, I would like to know what you guys get. If it's higher or lower than, I guess, what 550 is what they come out with for my plan. So I'd like to know if you guys get something higher or lower. Let me know. I'll leave a link directly to the same link from the blog here in the description. That way you can check it out there. All right, guys. All right. Thank you. And let me know. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys find out. If you want to know more, leave a comment and subscribe. That way I can let you know more about this home warranty. And if I go with it, do you want to know what I find out, what I learn, leave those comments in the description. Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.